Hello everyone, and welcome back. Before we begin building our artificial intelligence projects, we need to set up the development environment that we'll be using throughout this course. For all our implementations, we'll be working with Spyder, which comes with the Anaconda distribution. I highly recommend using this setup because it provides everything we need in one place. You'll have a code editor for writing programs, a console to execute your code, and useful tools for monitoring variables and debugging your applications efficiently. If you already have Anaconda installed on your computer, that is great. You can skip the download process and simply open it. If not, let's install it together. Open your web browser and search for Anaconda. From the search results, open the official Anaconda download page. Say you are on the website. It should automatically detect your operating system. If it doesn't, simply select the correct version for your platform, whether you are using Windows, macOS, or Linux. Next, download the latest stable version that supports Python 3. Since this course is based on Python 3, it is important that you install the Python 3 version of Anaconda. The download may take a few minutes depending on your internet connection. Once it is complete, open your Downloads folder and locate the installation file. Now, double-click the installer to begin the installation process. The installation wizard is very straightforward. Simply follow the on-screen instructions by clicking Continue or Next. Accept the license agreement. Choose the default installation settings unless you have a specific reason to change them, and then click Install. The installation may take a few minutes to complete, so just wait until the process finishes. Once everything is installed successfully, you may see an option to install additional software, such as Visual Studio Code. For this course, that isn't required, so you can simply skip it or close the installer. Now that Anaconda has been installed, it is time to launch it. If you are using Windows, open the Start menu and search for Anaconda Navigator. If you are using macOS, open the Applications folder and launch Anaconda Navigator. For Linux users, you can launch Anaconda Navigator from your Applications menu, or by using your preferred application launcher. After opening Anaconda Navigator, you'll notice several development environments available. One of them is Jupyter Notebook, which is an excellent tool for interactive programming and data analysis. However, throughout this course, we'll be using Spyder as our primary development environment. To open it, simply locate Spyder in the list of available applications and click the Launch button. After a few moments, Spyder will open, and you'll see the workspace where we'll write, run, and test all of our artificial intelligence programs throughout this course. With our development environment now ready, we're fully prepared to start implementing AI solutions in the upcoming lessons. So let's move on and begin writing our first programs.